Hi my friends, this is Ian Stewart over at Buildabizonline with another tutorial video on how to add your 10 your button banners at the bottom of your programs page like I have done here. Okay, so I've got my main program right at the top, always a good idea. Main program right at the top, and then my other programs are there, and right at the bottom where it looks neatest I've got 10 125 times 125, or they call them button banners, right at the bottom, and they're all clickable. Okay, now I'm going to show you how you can add yours. I want you to copy me. Okay, so what we need to do, we need to log into the members area, and then what I want you to do first of all is come down to your let's have a look. I want you to come down to your 10 banner splash page, and I want you to make sure that you've got all 10 slots, or 5 or 10 slots filled in with the correct information, and admin has then activated them. Okay, because we check them over to make sure they're not too big, because some people go and add 700 by 700 and then it looks a right mess. So we need to leave this page open. Okay, we come back to the members area, and then what we need to do is come over here, add or edit a program. I'll tell you what we need as well. Let me just tell you the right thing. Open that up in a new window as well. Okay. And we'll leave that there for a second to bake. No, I'm only messing. Leaving it there for a second. Okay. So we need to come into the members area. We need to click add or edit a program. Now we have to add it in a simple form first of all. Now, what do I mean by that? Well, this was designed to do one of two things, either simply, or after you've added it simply, do it a little bit more complex. Now, what on earth are you talking about here? Well, let me show you. We had to make this very friendly for new people with no experience, no HTML experience or anything. But I'm going to teach you a few things. Okay, so here goes. What I want you to do in here, I want you to put this is my, no, this is a list of my best traffic programs. Okay, we'll leave it like that for now. We'll come back and edit that in a moment. Okay, now what I want you to do in here, I want you to put this link in, https, okay, ://build bizonline.com/join.php. Then I want you to put a question mark and then your username. That is my username. Okay, I want you to grab one of these because we cannot leave a box empty, otherwise it won't save. You know all this because you're professionals. And then I'm going to put in there, this is my test. Okay, that's all I'm going to do. Now make sure in these boxes there's none of these squiggly things, all these commas and exclamation marks and colons and semicolons and all that. Okay, otherwise your program will never save. Okay, make sure that you've got that link in there, which is your join link that I've just put in. Make sure that you've got a banner in there, otherwise it won't save, and just put a couple of bits of text. Okay, then what we're going to do, we're going to click add the program. Now, can you remember what happens when you add a it takes a few seconds? It's because it's sending an email to your downline site saying, go check out this. Go check out Ian's programs page. He's just added another program. Okay, it's a great way. It's part of the funnel at Buildabizonline. So what do we do next? we need to edit it. Okay, so the first thing I want you to do, you see mine there, look. Can you see I've got the title on the left? Title on the left. But this one is on the center, and I want you to do it in the center. It's all right, the wife's just come in and fret me to death. But never mind. Right, where were we? I want you to put this in the center. So we go open bracket, center, and then a closing bracket. This is what we call a center tag. Right at the end, we put open bracket, / center, and then a closing bracket. And that's that. Tidy. Okay. Now, what I want you to do is to go whoop, and I want you to delete that. Why on earth do you want to do that, Ian? I'm going to show you now. We go over to our 10 banners, and all we do is simply copy all of that information, and then highlight it all, and then hold down the control button C. And then I want you to come over to our famous WYSIWYG. It's not famous, really. I just say that. Highlight this text and put it in the center, and then simply click Control V, and that puts all those banners in there. Okay. Now, what I want you to do next is click Source, and then I want you to right-click, select all, right-click, copy, and I want you to paste it, guess where? In this box. Now, we need to go, what I need you to do is make sure this table is in the center. So while we're right down the bottom, can you remember what the closing center tag is? It is open bracket, / center, and woof, that's there. So that's the closing tag because it's got a / in it. Right at the top, we need to just put our cursor in front, left click, and then press enter to bring it down. And then what we need is an open center tag. Okay, so it's open bracket, center, and then poof. Okay, now then, this is a little bit too big. So what we're going to do this. We're going to make sure that we leave the percentage in there, and we're going to put 90, and we're going to click edit the program. We're going to go back over to our programs page, and we're going to refresh that, and we should see 2 lots of, there we have it. And that's it, simple as that. Now, so that my downline don't think that I am round the twist or crazy, I'm now going to delete that. Okay, that's it, finished. And that is how, oof, let me refresh this, and there should be 1 lot on there now. Yeah, don't that look neat? Try and make sure that your button banners are all square. This one isn't, so I need to make that one square, but I'll do that some other time. But can you understand what I mean? It's absolutely brilliant. That looks nice and neat and smart. By the way, guys, this is the only program. This programs page is the only page I ever promote. It's all I ever promote, my friends. So why not give it a go? And not only do you add up to 20 programs, including this one, of course, but you can put an additional 9 on it, in a sense. Okay, so this is Ian signing out, saying no more, but bye for now.